Hello, should I separate personal and trading expenses for taxes? Well, trading in general, the way we do it is more like an investment. So therefore, the expenses are not deductible. It is not a business. But if you are trading as a professional, that could be different. But as of the type of trading that I do in my husband and I joint brokerage account, it is more an investment type of trading, buying stocks and selling, and it is personal. So therefore, those expenses don't go on our tax return. So there is no point of separating personal or trading expenses in that sense. And it is a type of trading that I share information about. I don't trade as a professional. I'm not a professional trader. I just try to, to save some of our paycheck and send it to our investment account and purchase stocks on low and sell it on high. So to create another stream of income. So therefore, it is not a business for us. It is a personal thing. Instead of putting money in a Roth IRA, we put it in a taxable brokerage account so that the money is readily available for us, but at the same time we pay tax on those profits, but we do not claim expenses related to those trading. And frankly, we don't really have any trading expenses. The platform we use to swing trade is free through Charles Schwab. If you have an account with Charles Schwab, the platform is free, and I do not trade on this platform. I only use it for chart analysis, and then go in our account and place purchase order or to a sales order. But yeah, and then I use spreadsheets to track to have our stock list and to have to track our trades. And maybe a membership for spreadsheet is an expense, but again, those things are personal. So therefore, expenses related to trading are not tax deductible, even if you are trading in a taxable brokerage account. If you are a professional trader, it is different, and it is now what I am. We have full-time job, and our trading is a part-time things for us. So thank you. Today we are going to analyze EW as of August 24, 2026. So when we are looking at EW here, well, it is following this support line. It touched base with it and start going up from there. It's still around the buying zone though, compared to all-time highest price. But yeah, so let's go to maximum daily chart. It seems like we purchased it somewhere there and it pulled back and start going up. And where it is now is the price is slightly higher than what we pay for it. So we could be positive in this. But again, yeah, it's the type of stocks that takes, years to come down and probably years to be down, climbing up as well. We have the date on the x-axis from the past to the present, and the price on the y-axis from $0 up. And we picked this support line to be where we will buy, and since it was still around that area, we purchased it somewhere here, and we'll see how it's going to perform. But it seems to be a slow grower though. Took few years to come down. We'll see. And here it took some years to be done climbing up, some years to climb down as well. So it could be something that we might have to keep in the portfolio for some years if you want to buy it at the valley line and sell it at all-time highest peak. or somewhere there, and it took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years to be done climbing up. So we could be in there for at least 3/4 of that time before we sell it. But we'll see if it's going to, continue that way. We have a good drop here before it continue, though. We'll see. So thank you so much for watching. We thank you very much for watching our videos. Thank you for all your comments, and we thank you very much for subscribing to our channel. I'm Afiavi, and on our channel we share different ways to save money and different ways to make money to reach your financial independence. And swing trading could allow you to create another stream of income. Just start slowly and surely you'll get there. As a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a professional trader. I just swing trade in my husband and I joint account, and I like to share what is working for us, what is not working. What I'm learning with you is that if you find some tips useful, you can customize them to fit your personality type, your risk tolerance, and implement them in your own financial success journey. Will you please proceed with caution? For more videos in this series, will you please check the playlist How to Start Swing Trading Step by Step Using Long Uptrend Lines in the description of this video. And we have over 200 videos in this series to cover all type of questions that we can think of that you might ask yourself if you are interested in the way we swing trade. We have them in this playlist, and this video is brought to you by our online store Liberman.com. If you are looking for cloth napkins, whether for school lunches or for work lunches or tote bags, will you please check our online store Liberman.com. Thank you so much for your time. Happy swing trading.